Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making one of my favorite wing recipes, Atlanta's famous lemon pepper wet. You will need 2 pounds of chicken wings, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of Frank's Red Hot, 1/2 cup of butter, 1½ tablespoons of lemon pepper, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and canola oil for frying. Season your wings with the onion powder and salt, then set them aside until later. Now add 1 tablespoon of lemon pepper to your flour, then mix until well combined. Transfer the seasoned flour to a flat dish, then dredge your chicken in the flour and place them on a wire rack. Using a deep fryer, preheat your oil to 375 degrees. Add your wings, then fry them for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the wings from the deep fryer and set them aside. Using medium-low heat, bring a pan to temperature. Now add your Frank's Red Hot and your butter, and continue mixing until well combined. Now add the chicken to the pan and generously coat with the sauce. Remove your chicken from the pan and set them on a wire rack. Lightly sprinkle your wings with the lemon pepper on both sides, and then it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to craft